Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from InstaCrypto, and inside this video we are reviewing a multi-cryptocurrency exchange from India called InstaCrypto. Inside this video we'll see some of the pros and cons of InstaCrypto, and I'll also let you know the KYC and bank link procedure that you have to go through. To begin with, the biggest pro I would say of InstaCrypto is the founding members behind it. Vikram Nikam is one of the founding members of InstaCrypto. I know him personally. He's also contributed for a lot of content for InstaCrypto as well, and he has held several meetups on InstaCrypto YouTube channel as well. So currently he has one of the largest meetup groups in India, with Bangalore alone having 5,000 plus members on it. And you can also check out his LinkedIn profile. So he has a very interesting history with cryptocurrency, his work related to it, and he was actually one of the founding members of one of the first Bitcoin exchanges in India called Unicoin. So an exchange coming from a person who has extensively been working around cryptocurrency space is definitely the biggest pro when it comes to InstaCrypto. InstaCrypto is a multi-cryptocurrency exchange, and they have a very interesting choice of coins they're currently offering. There are 8 coins they're currently offering, being Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Vertcoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Gold, and Dogecoin. Now a few of the coins here like Ethereum Classic, Vertcoin are not available at the moment on any other cryptocurrency exchanges in India. So that's definitely an interesting choice of coins that they have. The next pro of InstaCrypto is usage of private wallets. Now here is where InstaCrypto is completely different from other exchanges. If you have been using other exchanges, you know that all the exchanges do provide their own wallet service. So every time you place a trade or buy any crypto, they will go ahead and credit it into your exchange wallet or your account in that particular exchange. Now what InstaCrypto does is they go ahead and motivate you to create your own wallets. Now there are several wallets that I have previously covered in my previous videos, like mobile wallets, hardware wallets, web wallets, paper wallets. So what they basically want to do is they want to motivate you to have your own wallets where you control the private keys of your wallet, and all you have to do is provide them with the receiving address of any crypto you would like to buy from InstaCrypto, and they will directly send that particular crypto to your wallet. So this way they are taking out the equation of security, because we do know that there are a lot of exchanges that are at security risks, Mt. Gox being one of the biggest examples for us. There are also several other exchanges we do keep hearing from time to time. So if you own the private keys of your wallet where you have stored your cryptos, you will be the responsibility, or you will be responsible for the security of your wallet. And in the cryptocurrency space, whoever owns the private key of a wallet owns the cryptocurrency in the wallet. So that is the reason InstaCrypto doesn't provide any kind of wallet service, and they want you to be responsible for your crypto, so they will go ahead and directly send it to your private wallets. And because of this, there is no crypto and financial information stored on the exchange itself, and the exchange of crypto does happen outside the exchange, so that also adds an additional layer of security. They also have two-factor authentication. Now the two-factor authentication in InstaCrypto is little different. So in InstaCrypto you would have to enter your mobile phone number every time you go ahead and place an order on the exchange, and they will go ahead and send a one-time password to your mobile phone, and only then you will be able to go ahead and proceed with the order, and only then the cryptos will be sent to your wallet address. The next pro is that InstaCrypto has one of the easiest interfaces that I've come across. Now we know that exchanges and trading engines can get really complicated, especially for beginners, but InstaCrypto has a completely different approach when it comes to dealing with cryptocurrencies. So especially for beginners, I think InstaCrypto is designed specifically keeping beginners in mind. It's more resembling an e-commerce style, so ordering or trading a crypto on InstaCrypto is as easy as ordering a t-shirt. But all you have to do is enter the value of crypto you would like to buy, provide your crypto receiving address, and go ahead and select the payment method you would like to send the funds with, complete the payment, and you have the crypto in your wallet. The next advantages is the beginner friendly. As I already mentioned, because of the easy interface, InstaCrypto is very beginner friendly. Another point I did notice on InstaCrypto that I've not noticed on other exchanges is getting exact amounts. So say if you want to go ahead and buy crypto for a specific amount, say for 500 rupees, you can just go ahead and enter the amount here in INR amount box, and you will automatically get the value calculated, and it's already displayed there. Whereas in other exchanges that I've tried before, I might have to sit and calculate how much cryptos I would get for 500 rupees and then place my trade accordingly. So that is especially a very big advantage, especially for beginners who don't know how to calculate to buy a particular crypto or put in a trade. This is definitely a very big advantage when it comes to InstaCrypto. The next advantage with InstaCrypto is that it's web and mobile friendly. They don't have any of the apps at the moment, but I've checked out the website and it's one of the most mobile friendly websites, especially in the cryptocurrency space, that I've come across. So that's definitely a very big advantage when it comes to InstaCrypto. Another advantage with InstaCrypto is the quick KYC verification. Now I did go ahead and upload my KYC documents after my registration process, and my KYC was approved within 10 minutes. So that's really quick, considering most of the exchanges currently are open to registrations, but at times we have seen that it takes days for KYC verifications to be completed. But again, this is a new exchange. Yes, at the beginning all the exchanges do go ahead and complete KYC verifications very quickly, but I'm definitely interested to see how InstaCrypto will progress with time once they have a huge user base. Will they still go ahead and do it instantly, or will they go ahead and face hiccups like the other exchanges that we have seen? Another advantage with InstaCrypto is the low entry limit. Now we do know that most of the exchanges have minimum deposits, like more than 2,000 rupees that has to be deposited to trade any kind of crypto, but that's not the case with InstaCrypto. They have a very low entry limit for of rupees 500. So anybody who is just beginning the journey with cryptocurrency, or anybody who wants to test out this particular exchange, can start for as low as 500 rupees. So there are several interesting coins like Dogecoin, Vertcoin, which are lower than 500 rupees, and you will get some substantial coins for 500 rupees. So I definitely recommend you to try and start testing InstaCrypto for lower amounts first and see how your experience with them is, and then you can go ahead and think about larger amounts. Another advantage of InstaCrypto is the low fees. They are currently charging 0.5%. Now they're not the lowest when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges, because there is BitBNS which does charge 0.25%, and there is CoinSecure which charges 0.4%, but they have a set standard in terms of fees, that's 0.5%, I think, which is acceptable considering the crypto transfer directly happens to your private wallet, instead of going and setting in the web wallet first, and then you will have to go ahead and send or withdraw those cryptos directly into your private wallets. The next advantage, and I would say this is one of the very nice feature of InstaCrypto, is the lowest network fees across all the exchanges. We have seen quite a number of tweets, and we have seen a quite number of complaints from users saying that the exchanges are charging ridiculous amounts of network fees when they want to go ahead and withdraw their crypto from the exchange wallets. Now this is not the case with InstaCrypto. You can check out the fees section of InstaCrypto, where they have gone ahead and listed out their network fees, and also listed out the other exchanges average cost as well. I think they've taken an average of the network fee from other exchanges, and they've gone ahead and compared the network fee, and also listed out the savings that you will be saving every time you go ahead and trade with InstaCrypto in terms of network fee. Another advantage is that they don't have any kind of deposit or withdrawal fees for INR. Now we do have few exchanges who do charge for deposits, and some exchanges do charge for withdrawals. That is not the case with InstaCrypto. Another thing that I've seen is that the INR will go ahead and get credited to your bank account instantly as well. Now this is a very good feature, especially in current scenario where most of the exchanges are going through a lot of hassles when it comes to deposits and withdrawals. So that's definitely an advantage with InstaCrypto. And they also have some instant and multiple payment options. They have introduced UPI, and they also have instant IMPS services, using which we can go ahead and transfer funds and get crypto instantly, which is actually a very big advantage considering the volatility and the price changes that cryptos go through. And in terms of crypto, that I've seen that they mentioned that the cryptos will be sent in batch style for every 15 minutes. So once if the payment is confirmed on their bank account, within 15 minutes the crypto will be sent to your wallet. And the last advantage is that they have a very good customer support. Now whenever I have raised any queries in regards to the doubts I have about the exchange, I've got prompt replies, and the replies are also very quick. They do come in within 30 minutes to 45 minutes of me raising a support ticket with InstaCrypto. But as I said again, this is a fairly new exchange at the moment. I would definitely like to see how they progress or how they scale up once they have a lot of users. That would definitely be an interesting thing to see. So those were some of the advantages of InstaCrypto. Let's quickly check out some of the cons or disadvantages with InstaCrypto as well. The first disadvantage I've seen is that they currently have no mobile application for Android or iOS, considering all the exchanges are building their apps, and people do use apps to go ahead and keep a track of their investments. But having said that, InstaCrypto has one of the easiest or friendliest mobile browser websites. So I think they might go ahead and launch an app soon as well. But till then, we can definitely go ahead and use the mobile website of InstaCrypto. The second disadvantage is setting up your own wallet. Now, whenever you create an account with any of the other exchanges, they already have a wallet set up with them. But the point there is that you don't own the private keys of that particular wallet. So in this case, InstaCrypto doesn't give you any wallet services, though you might have to go ahead and research yourself to which is the best wallet that you can use. Well, there are several different wallets like mobile wallets, desktop wallets, hardware wallets. So you would have to see which wallet is compatible with whichever crypto that you're trying to buy, based on your platform. Like if you're using Android or iOS or desktop, the different wallets for different platforms, and you would have to set it up, back up your wallet, and these does take effort and it does take time. But on the flip side, it is definitely a more secure way of buying or storing cryptocurrencies. Another disadvantage, I think this is the biggest disadvantage of InstaCrypto at the moment, is they have very low limits. So the maximum amount or the maximum value of crypto that you can buy or sell on InstaCrypto is currently 50,000 rupees, and this limit is per day. So you can maximum trade, buy or sell crypto worth 50,000 rupees per day. I did go ahead and check with InstaCrypto. They did inform that they are working on increasing the limits, but they do not have an ETA yet on when the limits will be increased. Still in beta stage. I think they're still testing a lot of things when it comes to their website or the platform, so that would be another disadvantage. So those were the advantages and disadvantages with InstaCrypto. Next, I'll take you through the KYC, bank link and registration process with InstaCrypto. You can register with InstaCrypto just like registering on any other website, where you have to provide your name, your email address, your mobile phone number, your bank details like your account name, number, bank name, etc. Then you will receive a verification email where you have to go ahead and click on a link to verify your email. And in terms of KYC documents, you would have to have a scanned copy of your PAN card and Aadhaar card, both sides of your Aadhaar card, front and back. And they also have a feature where you can go ahead and upload your bank document. You can either go ahead and upload a cancelled check which has your name on the cancelled check, or a bank statement which has all the information like account name, number, IFSC code and bank name mentioned on your bank statement or on your cancelled check. So once you upload all these documents, you will receive a confirmation email of your account, that is your account approval email, within 30 minutes, and you also do get a small amount deposit from Twarit Ananya Services International Private Limited, which is the company behind InstaCrypto. So in my next video, I'll take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to go ahead and place your order and buy crypto on instacrypto.in. So I hope this video was informative. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please go ahead and give us a like, and also let us know your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. And please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that you get notified when we post the next step-by-step tutorial video. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.